As the government has scrapped its short-lived rule mandating bus passengers to wear seatbelts, Transport and Logistics Secretary Mable Chan admitted serious flaws in the legislation and pledged a stricter internal review. The government gazetted the Road Traffic Safety Equipment Amendment Regulation 2026 today, which repeals Section 8D requiring bus passengers to wear seatbelts. Regulations for cars, taxis, and minibuses remain unchanged. Commenting on the issue, Chan admitted the clause was technically deficient and failed to reflect the policy intent of extending seatbelt protection to all buses. She conceded that her team had overlooked these shortcomings and provided unclear explanations, leading to public confusion and divergent interpretations. Facing heavy public and political backlash, Chan stressed that she, as bureau head, bore responsibility and would lead a full review of how seatbelt arrangements on buses are handled. Her team, she said, is now seriously reflecting on the episode and will adopt a more cautious, people-centered approach to future legislation. While no timeline exists for reintroducing a revised mandate, the Bureau will first commission expert studies on belt designs, conduct public consultations, and enhance safety education before proposing any new rules.